Costway Car Freezer. The Costway Car Freezer is essentially that. It is a lightweight portable chest freezer perfect for fit in big vehicles. The unit is a multi-use appliance being able to convert from a refrigerator to a fridge. The unit offers large capacity, being able to hold up to 97 quarts. This means that it would be the right design and size for long camping trips with the whole family. It may also work well as a refrigeration source in alternative homes such as campers, RVs, vans, and trucks. In terms of price, this unit is among the more expensive portable freezers on this list. However, features such as fast freeze make up for this. With a fast freeze, being that the freezer uses compressor cooling technology, you will be able to cool items between -0.4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit in no time. The unit comes with a removable basket, 2 metal handles on both sides, and an LCD display. There are also battery protection provisions that are especially useful if you will be using the freezer within your vehicle. In terms of power, Costway Car Freezer works with standard 110-volt AC power or 12-volt DC power, like your automotive battery. One great element about this chest freezer is that it is completely noiseless. You will have no trouble sleeping if you have it set up within a mobile home. Pros: fast and easy cooling, large capacity, noiseless. Cons: may be bulky due to design.